हेलो आई एम हियर अगेन और यूपीएससी का रिज़ल्ट आ चुका है. आई डिड नॉट क्लियर इट अनफॉर्चुनेटली. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट एंड या sorry I wasn't on my 75 175 day accountability because I was not studying. I did not study yesterday, I did not study the day before, and right now it is 2 p.m. and I haven't studied it now as well. Why? Because I was feeling like there's some paralysis in my head, in my mindset, or yeah, that's it. But I think I can start afresh. I know कि मेरे फाउंडेशन में कोई कमी नहीं है एंड वेल जितनी कमी है इट नीड्स टू बी वर्कड ऑन और टाइम वेस्ट करने का पॉइंट नहीं है. सो I'm here to restart and re-believe in myself and work hard again for 2026 का attempt. I'll be documenting it from now on. Please pardon me and consider this as my first day of 75 days accountability. And thank you so much. Today my to-do list will be. So this is my to-do list for today. I'll do my previous year questions again. I'll just read through them and understand again कि मेरे से क्या कमी हो रही है and maybe going through them will help me out. I'll read the syllabus again because it's much needed and I don't think कि करने के बाद especially previous year question अगर in depth मुझे करना है ज़्यादा मेरे पास टाइम बचेगा. तो आफ्टर दैट मैं नाइट शिफ्ट में जो पढ़ाई करती हूँ उसमें मैं JRF के लिए रिविज़न करूँगी और I was thinking of revising paper 1 and paper 2 from my notes, so we'll be doing that. That is my plan for today. The previous day जब मैंने to do list बनाई थी तो उसमें मैंने सब कुछ complete कर लिया था except JRF की पढ़ाई क्योंकि तब तक रिज़ल्ट आ चुका था UPSC का उस दिन और फिर मुझसे हो नहीं पाई थी पढ़ाई. And that's it. This is day 1 of 75. I hope I make it and I hope there are no breaks at all. I'll try to be as more dedicated as possible. Also I want to so that I am not lagging again. I'll just fix the timing of posting again on over here. I'll post at 1 a.m. about the accountability and उसी टाइम पे मैं अपना टू डू लिस्ट भी यहीं पे बता दूँगी so that there is no confusion. Also if I do fix my sleep schedule then I'll take this time down to 11 p.m. I'm trying it and I saw somewhere कि 3 दिन लगते हैं फिक्स करने के लिए, so we'll try that and thank you so much.